Welcome to another episode of Ptree's Presents. It is that time of the month again. So this time around, I'm doing a little bit less items because doing all the trade offers and stuff is kind of annoying to do, and sometimes people don't respond and I'm not sure what to do with the item. We're only going to do 4, but we're doing 4 Katowice 2019 Legends capsules. These are a little bit more expensive, should be a little bit more interesting, and if you win, it won't be like a garbage 15-cent skin or 15-cent sticker. So let's get started with these guys. First capsule, here we go. I won't be playing giveaway in the title for these videos. MIBR, bad start. Never mind what I said. I won't be putting giveaway in the title anymore. I want more of my subs to win this, people that watch my channel. So if you don't know what Ptree's Presents is, you're probably not going to click it. Navi, that's a little bit better. Like seeing Navi. Not a great sticker, but because it's Navi, it's probably worth a decent amount. I never really paid attention to these capsules. I really only know about the Furia Holo. That's the only one I've invested in. That's really about all I know. And that is that is not what we wanted. That is that's rough. Anyways, if you want to win any of these stickers, all you have to do is really comment on the video. If you comment on the video, I put in a raffle and you get a chance to win. Last sticker capsule, here we go. And HellRaisers. Well, it wasn't the best, I have to say that, but HellRaisers, the IEM sticker, Navi, MIBR. If you want to win any of these, just comment on the video. And before I forget, I want to say, if you're wondering why I don't respond and I don't pick winners right away, it's because I record this video on a Wednesday. So after a week, these items will be tradable, and that is when I can send you the trade offer. So if you comment on the video, wait a week and check back. I won't respond until a week later. That is all I have for February. Good luck to whoever wins the Navi sticker. All you have to do is comment below and you get entered into the raffle. So good luck to whoever wins that, and whoever wins the other stickers. At least it's something, at least it's better than some blue skin to get from a case. And I'll see you guys Sunday.